All right, it's raining, everybody. Something that we desperately need out here. But yeah, it's coming down pretty good right now.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, diddly ho.
Hi, diddly ho. It is actually Friday. We are just getting ready to film our podcast, our Home March podcast, part 2 of Thanksgiving of Horror. We planned on having it up yesterday, but Wednesday night I had this really kind of crazy, what would you call it? Grief experience with my mom, and it took me kind of a day to figure that out and work through it. Process it. It was unexpected. We actually watched a movie, I can't even remember what it was called, that probably kind of initiated it. But anyway, so we're getting ready to film our podcast, and then we're headed out to film for you guys. So we just kind of want to let you know, we apologize for taking yesterday off and being a day behind, but that was just
Mental Health Day. All right, you guys, so we'll catch you here in just a few, out and about.
We are Aaron and Aretha Kringle.
And we are inviting you to come mingle with the Kringles.
All right, we're headed out. You guys, I have to show you this is Precious's new little kangaroo pouch. Are you happy in there? It's her little kangaroo pouch. So cute. Spoiled. It's a spoiled baby. Okay, the other day, if you guys saw, we talked to you guys about switching tables. We went and picked up a little tiny table for our kiddo and picked up the big table in the kids' house. So here it is. We're getting ready to pull it out so that we can load up the water tank and go get water. And of course, Precious is right there with us. We're all bundled up. You guys see our little tie-dye thing?
Temporary window covering.
Yeah, temporary window covering. Our window won't go all the way up, and our little poop is back there, and we didn't want her to get frozen. So anyways, that's up there. And we are jacketed up. Let me turn you around and show you how bad it's raining. There we are. It's supposed to rain all week, and we need it. So we're getting flooded with water, which is desperately needed. We got our little poop going back in the kangaroo pouch. Got to put our hoods on. It is raining. We're headed in, you guys. What did we sell today, baby? I know, but Jimi Hendrix
and Ella Fitzgerald.
Okay. Look. That Stranger Things card. That was so funny. I had to show you guys because it was so funny. I was like, what? A Stranger Things card?
Well, not exactly sure what I'm walking up to. I think it might be the old Copperopolis Armory, possibly. Not sure. Well, there's nothing up here saying what this is. There might be something somewhere that I'm just not seeing, but I think it's the old armory. Not a lot going on with it nowadays. There's the bar in front, the old corner saloon. We haven't been there. And yeah, this is the rest of it. So I don't know what it is. Look at this. So right next to the armory that Aaron just filmed for you guys is this old corner, historic old corner saloon. Lunch, dinner served daily. Make sure you come check this out if you come to Copper, Old Town Copper anyways. Hi. Yo.
We're home. We're watching
Fall and Christmas.
No, Snow In, not Fall In.
Shows what I know.
Fall
Christmas.
and Christmas. It's like a little Hallmarky movie on Disney Plus or on Hulu. I don't know. Anyways, we're home. We're gonna take a minute to just show you guys what our next project is. As you know, we are always in renovation mode. Look how cute Aaron looks in his... I got this shirt for him at an Italian festival in Lodi. I think it looks so nice on you, babe. I love it. Handsome, handsome, handsome. Okay, back to the project. So we are removing these old lights. Okay, here's our wooden wall so you guys know where you're at here. And we are removing these old lights. They're like fluorescent or LED, I don't know. Anyways, we're removing those. We have to turn off all of the electricity, the main to the house. Remove those, and then we are adding this pot rack to the ceiling, but it's going to have lights hanging from it. So it's not going to be like our main... It's not going to be our main pot rack. We're actually putting, let me zoom you guys up here again. We're putting, are they called rail ties, but they're like fake rail ties?
Yeah.
So we're putting like rail ties here, one here, and one here. And that's what the pots will hang off of. We need to finish painting this kind of, I don't know, like lemon green type of color. And then this pot rack is going to go where those lights were that we just showed you. And we're going to have lights hanging off of this. So I think it's going to look really pretty. Yeah. This is just, it's not heavy duty enough to hold like cast iron skillets and stuff, in my opinion. So we're just using it like as a decorative light option. So these little things here screw into the inside of it. And then these hook to it, and then this bolts to the ceiling. And then you've got all of these little or maybe that's the opposite.
No, this goes.
Yeah, that's accurate. That goes on the inside though, doesn't it?
Well, I'm just representing.
Okay. Yeah, and then there's like a few of each of these sizes. There's huge ones. So I can hang lightweight things from it, and I'm probably gonna hang like some lavender and whatever, but that's the project at hand. Are you ready for this, babe?
I need another project.
I know. This project went well. We weren't sure. We had like all these crazy screws and what are those things called that we had to use to... Anchors to go in through, because if you see like, so we had to anchor it in through the cedar planking. So anyways, just one little project at a time. We still need to replace all of we're doing like the ones that just make it more dim as opposed to just up and down. But yeah, that's what we're doing. That's how we're wrapping up the day. Whether or not we'll get this actually finished tonight is another story, but we do have the baby boy tomorrow. So you guys will see him in tomorrow's video. But for tonight, we are saying goodnight.
Watching Cheesy Christmas.
We're watching Cheesy Christmas movies, getting ready to make dinner, work on that little project. And we'll see. I already rode the bike today. He needs to ride the bike. And did we do our stretches today?
No.
No, we did not. So anyways, you guys have a great night, and we will see you tomorrow. Take it good.
Yeah, sunset's pretty epic tonight. Got some more rain moving in. Got the big wall clouds in front of the sunset. But it's pretty cool.